guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. Guys, I'm doing Vlogmas this month, which is super exciting on my vlog channel. I'll link that down below. You guys should follow my vlog channel. Trying to vlog more, even though I just made a video talking about how I hate family vlogs. My vlogs are not family vlogs. Like I don't exploit my children. I don't do that. And that's one of the reasons why I don't know. I got so many people being like, Vanessa, well, you said you watch family vloggers, like on this video. I'll link it down below. But yeah, people were like, you're kind of a hypocrite. I'm like, no, yes, I watch family vloggers, but I don't agree with using your children for money and views, like at all. And like, I've never done that. I will never do that. I mean, if I wanted to do that, I totally could. I would have filmed the births of all my children and made a shit ton of money, honestly. But yeah, I don't do that. But I do watch family vloggers, but there are some that I don't watch because I don't agree with them. But there are some that I do watch that I think they're not like intentionally exploiting their children. Why am I going off on a tangent about this? I don't know. I'll link the video down below. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys that I'm doing Vlogmas, and I mean, I might not even monetize those videos. I mean, that's a way to prove to people that I'm not doing it for money. I'm just doing it for memories. So yeah, I probably won't even monetize my Vlogmas videos because that would surely show that I don't care about the money when I make those videos, you know? This channel, different story. Different story. Someone's knocking on my door. Let's just get right into the questions. First question is, do you have an LLC or any other registered business or a reseller's license? I'm debating what the pros would be to do that. So I do have a reseller's license. Honestly, I've only used it a couple of times to buy from a couple of different websites. And as far as your other questions, I plan on making a whole separate video talking all about LLCs, S-Corps, you know, the difference between them, suggestions on what you should do for your own business. That's going to be a whole separate video coming hopefully soon. Hopefully, because I have gotten actually a bunch of people asking me about that recently, because a lot of people are getting into reselling, or they're really stepping up their reselling game and they want to make it like a legit business and they want to know like the pros and cons. So that'll be a whole separate video coming soon. With Photo Room, can the background be removed from more than one picture at a time? When you save it to the Poshmark camera, where does it go? LOL, I'm just learning the ropes. So Photo Room is an app that I've talked about in many videos. They finally gave me an affiliate link, you guys. I'll have that down below. But yeah, I've been promoting them for like months and months. It's an app that I use to white out the backgrounds on my Poshmark listings. And as far as I know, you have to do it one picture at a time. I'll look into that when I'm editing and I'll let you guys know on the screen for sure. And when you save the photo, it goes to your regular camera roll on your phone. But yeah, again, I will have my Photo Room affiliate link down below. Super stoked they finally gave me an affiliate link after promoting them for a long time and getting a lot of you guys to sign up for them. All right, next question. Do you know if it's possible to delete bundle messages? I was talking to a potential buyer. I went back to her bundle and the items were removed and the comments were gone. Is it possible for comments to be deleted? I've never seen this. So, oh yes, UPS is here. Ooh, they're here early. So okay, so this person could not have deleted their own comments. You can't do that. You can delete people's comments on your listings if you just click the little flag and mark them as spam. She can delete her items from the bundle. So she could have deleted the items from the bundle, but as far as the comments go, unless she blocked you, actually, then I don't know for sure if the comments would be deleted. Maybe, perhaps, I'm not sure. I do know that the only way you can delete comments on your listings is if you mark them as spam, and you actually can't delete your own comments on listings, which is, I don't know why. Poshmark just has silly little annoying things like that, and it's like, what the heck? Like, why can't I delete a comment? Like, why do I have to go through an act of Congress to delete a comment? Like, I'm not 100% sure if she had blocked you for some reason, if the comments would disappear. Again, I know she can delete things from the bundle, so she could have deleted the items, but as far as the comments, I'm not 100% sure. This person says, since I'm 15 and I sell on Poshmark, I'm about to hit $800 in my Poshmark revenue. Should I tell my parents about the tax stuff? Do you have someone I could watch that could go into depth about it, it would be very nice. So yes, you definitely let your parents know that you're making money on Poshmark for sure. Because that can affect like their taxes too, like whether or not they claim you. Tax stuff is just I don't want to talk about it. I will direct you to someone on Instagram. His Instagram name is Not Your Dad's CPA. I'll link him down below. Yeah, you're 15. Ooh, I don't know what state you live in. Some states when you're 15, you can only work with a worker's permit. You can't work a certain amount of hours. I don't know. That's going to get tricky. So, yeah, I'll link you to his Instagram and his website. You get in contact with him and find out more information. But yeah, you definitely do it to let your parents know that you're making money, because like I said, it can affect their taxes and you don't want to get them in trouble with the IRS. Well, that's the last thing you want is trouble with the IRS. Okay, last question. Hey Vanessa, keep doing what you're doing because your videos are great and you're one of the few that gives free information to other resellers. Aww. Okay, my question is, I have made 7 full price sales in the last 3 weeks. Am I just lucky? Stop it. Am I just lucky, or does that mean that I'm pricing my things too low? Without knowing what the items were that you sold at full price, it's kind of hard to say. You said 7 in the past 3 weeks. I mean, it could have just been luck, or again, it could have been because the items were priced too low. Yeah, without knowing what the items were, it's really hard for me to say. I feel like it's kind of a toss-up. I'm trying to think how often I make full price sales. Honestly, the majority of my sales are from offers, either offers that I send to people or offers that are sent to me. It also depends on if the items were like new with tags, because 'tis the season, like people are buying items new with tags, so maybe they're more apt to buy them outright. I don't know, there's a lot of different factors, and without knowing exactly what the items were, it's definitely hard for me to say. That's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. I almost forgot my outro. I'm like, what do I say again? Ha ha ha. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Also, be sure to follow my vlog channel if you're interested in vlogs, doing Vlogmas. It's officially baby month, which is crazy. Guys, I'm so ready. I'm so ready to have this baby. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.